reusable medical devices become more and more complex, instrument reprocessing must become more detailed and sophisticated to keep patients safe. Guidelines are quickly evolving to adapt to this complexity and help assure patient safety. Visual inspection is one process step that has become more defined in guidelines. AORN, SGNA, ANSI/AMI guidelines, and device manufacturer instructions for use all stipulate that internal and external surfaces of reusable endoscopes and channeled instruments be visually inspected. PureClear Inspection Scopes and Visualization Stations were developed to help personnel identify device damage and discover hidden bioburden before continuing with reprocessing. This reduces the risk of patient exposure to residual contamination and discovers device damage early so it can be addressed before it causes more serious harm. PureClear scopes allow nurses and technicians to visually inspect the internal lumen surfaces of virtually all channeled devices. They can safely and thoroughly inspect internal surfaces, distal tips, connection points, and spaces behind elevator channels. Users can also capture high-resolution photo and video documentation to meet inspection requirements. Archived images and video also provide a powerful reprocessing training tool for department managers. PureClear scopes are available in multiple lengths and diameters and in digital and fiber optic options to work in virtually any device lumen in your department for multiple applications. The unique height-adjustable PureClear Visualization Station adds ergonomics and efficiency to the inspection process. It creates a generous, dedicated visualization counter and work area, even for longer, larger instrument varieties, all within a small footprint. The attached back wall organizes scope accessories nearby at an ergonomic height to avoid repetitive reach injury. The station can also be fully integrated with pure processing monitors and your existing tracking systems and hardware. You can assure a more standardized, effective, and documentable inspection procedure for your device's interior lumens while also helping maintain the functional integrity of your reusable device inventory. For more information about PureClear inspection scopes and visual inspection stations, please contact Pure Processing to connect with a representative.